Hey guys, and welcome back to another quick form video. In today's video, we're going to be doing a liquid screen protector test. So first we have to apply it. As you can see, I got this off of eBay actually for right about $10, guys. So nothing too expensive, and that's what the deal is with today's video. So as you can see, liquid screen protector here, Nanotechnology, Nano High Tech, visible liquid screen protector, 99% visible protection, 9H harness, anti-scratch, high definition, antibacteria, anti-corrosion. Whoa. Pretty cool. So here is the little, as you can see, the capsule that has the liquid nano high tech. A lot of people say this is snake oil basically, and let's go ahead and test that out. I actually want to test this out. I did a video on this before, but a lot of people were saying that that phone was made out of plastic or something that wasn't glass. So that's why it wasn't fair. So that's why I'm testing this out with a glass phone this time. So let's go ahead and see how that goes. So yeah, but here it is, guys. Like I said, this is about $10 off of eBay. So yeah, let's go ahead and pop it open. And as you can see, it's fully functioning LG. God, what is this thing? I don't even know what this is, but this, oh God, what is this? An LG G3, I believe this is. It's just been such a long time, but yeah, guys, this was donated to one of our viewers, Mr. Walker. So thank you for his donation to the channel. So perfect, no scratches or no cracks at all. So yeah, let's go ahead and apply it, guys. I will wait 24 hours before I actually go ahead and test the phone out to see the durability of it. But here's the back of the Nanotechnology, all the same features and everything. So it's saying it's good for cameras, screen guards and everything. Let it just focus. I don't know why it has so much trouble focusing, but there you go. Maybe it's this light. Let me turn it off. Maybe that's what it gets it. So there we go. So pretty cool. So let's go ahead and apply it, guys. Let me go ahead and actually crack it open. All right, guys, so as you can see, here's a little liquid right here. So let me kind of show you a little nanotechnology here. God, this camera sucks at focusing, but there we go. If you can see it, there it is. And also comes with a little cleaning kit just to kind of clean the screen. I don't know why they're saying 2 of them, but let's go ahead and clean the screen of this phone. And sorry if it sounds a little echoey. I'm a little far away from the mic right now, since I'm trying to kind of record this behind the phone, behind the camera, should I say. So first you want to prep the screen. Just make sure everything's good and clean. And then just wipe it. Get all the gunk and everything off of it. All right, so now that we have that done, guys, it's time to put on the liquid. So let's go ahead and do that. God, sounds like gunshots outside. Good God, what the heck? People hunting, I think, at this time. God, come on. How do you open this thing? I don't want to open it and spill all the liquid everywhere. Oh, here we go. God, what is this thing doing? Oh, God. All right, there we go. Let me actually turn off this phone now that you guys can see it's fully functioning, because it is a little annoying to have it just turn it on and off. So power that off, turn off. All right, so let's go ahead and put this on, guys. And what's funny about these liquid screen protectors is sometimes it's pretty hard to get the liquid out, so you just kind of have to slap it everywhere. If you can see this looks like it's milk or something. Oh, there you go. Jesus. So there we go, guys. Like I said, okay, now it's coming out. I think you actually have to put this like this. I don't even know. But basically, yeah, this is it's weird versus the other coatings that it gives you like a cloth. All right, so now that that's on there, guys, what you want to do is spread it evenly out. Well, that's going to the garbage either way, but it's, God, they really pack that in there, should I say. Now you want to get your dry one and spread it evenly out on your screen. That's why they send you two. So spread it everywhere on your phone. As you can see, here it is. Does look like I said, like milk or something like that. I don't want to say what else it looks like, but yeah, it's weird substance. But this is supposed to be the nanotechnology, at least to give you quite a bit of it. And I'm, like I said, dispersing it evenly out. And we're going to test it out tomorrow, which to you guys, it will probably only be the next frame after this. But to me, I'm going to wait a full 24 hours for it to cure. And then we'll go ahead and start. So, yeah, guys, I'll see you guys tomorrow. As you can see, there it is. It's fully spread on there. So, yeah, cool. Hey guys, welcome back to another Quick Form video. In today's video, we're going to be testing out the liquid screen protector on this LG G3. So as you can see, here it is in all its glory. Pretty cool. It is a used foam, but overall I did put the liquid coating on there, and I have waited 24 hours to do this test. I'm currently outside. It's on Easter Sunday, so it feels very nice weather. So let's go ahead and test it out. First, we will do the scratch test to see if there's any scratches that can be on here. So for this, I'm gonna use first a knife, which is pretty sharp with my utility knife right here, as you can see, and then we'll do the drop test. I will do the hammer test if it comes down to this not wanting to crack, but I don't want to do the hammer test first and then crack it, because not a lot of people are actually going to use a hammer and try to break their phone. Most likely it's going to be a drop test. So let's go ahead and check it out. So first, let's go ahead and try to do some scratches. And right off the bat, I can feel it just sliding off, guys. So yeah, it's just sliding. I don't see any scratches. Like I said, the scratches are there. Look like they were there already. But I'm trying to scratch it in, nothing. So far the scratch test is doing very fine. Look at that. Once you wipe it off, scratches are gone. So overall, the scratches, like I said, that already are there are from the phone. This is a used phone, like I said in the previous video. So let's go ahead and test out the drop test with this. But overall, I'm trying to scratch it, and you just wipe it off. Wow, pretty good so far. So for me, I honestly think this is more for scratches than drops. So let's go ahead and test it out, guys. Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and do the drop test. As you can see, so if you see this wire, guys, it is my microphone wire. So let's go ahead and test it out. So we're going to do waist drop right now. So let's go ahead and do it. Hopefully it is recording. Is it recording? Alright, so yeah, it's recording. So let's go ahead and do the waist from my waist. Let's go ahead and see if it cracks. Alright, let's check it out. Ooh, so far no damage to the screen, but it did scratch the sides. If you can see it right there, guys. I'll show you better in just a little bit, but no scratches to the screen whatsoever. There you go. So let's try now head height now. Let me grab this so it's not in the way. Alright, so I'm about 6'2", so I'm about to drop it from that height. And the battery popped off, so let's go ahead and see how the damage is to this. And still no breakage. Remember, this is glass, guys, so far no breakage. Let's keep going. It's definitely getting scuffed up on the sides, but that's about it. Let me see if I can, there we go, better picture there. Like I said, it's just getting scuffed up here on the sides. So let's go ahead and try again. And like I said, this might have to go to the hammer test, so. Oh. And there we go. Look at that. Let me zoom this out again, guys, but it did take about the third time for this to finally break. Look at that. Third time was definitely the charm. Finally just cracked. You can see it definitely impacted right here on the bottom, and then just spiderwebbed from there. So overall, I think it's for $10 I paid for this product, guys. It's definitely worth it for scratches. Drops, I mean, it could help. Like you can see, averages about 3 drops before it breaks. So not bad overall. For $10, I would say it's kind of worth it if you're not going to put any kind of protection on there, you know. Thank you guys for watching. Please check out my #1 supporter, netbuddy.co. They offer true unlimited AT&T Hotspot, never throttled or capped, for only $60 a month. But if you use my link and promo code at checkout, you will save $5. That promo code is Sanchez45973. All that will be in the description below. Thank you.